How to look good in your school uniform. Many schools have uniforms that students have to wear, but there are ways you can personalize your uniform to suit your style and taste. Some schools will have stricter dress codes than others, however, so you might only be able to work with hairstyles, accessories, and shoe or sock choices. But if your school's dress code is a little more lenient, you may be able to add different accessories, wear your clothes in a few ways, add color to your look, or layer up to perk up your uniform. Part 1. Looking good in a girl's uniform. 1. Know your school's dress code. Each school is unique and has its own uniform style and dress code, and knowing the dress code for your school can help you accessorize, customize, and alter your uniform to make yourself feel more comfortable in it. Dress codes will also tell you what you can and cannot wear, and may cover topics such as how long skirts, shorts, or dresses have to be, what kinds of jewelry, makeup, and accessories are acceptable, if any, what colors you're allowed to wear, what type of shoes you can wear. 2. Check out your uniform options. Most school uniforms have multiple options, including dresses, skirts, pants, and shorts for the bottoms, which are often paired with a long, or short, sleeved dress shirt. But if you're lucky, optional uniform items might also include a blazer, vest, or sweater that can each be worn in unique ways. These different clothing items can be worn in different combinations to accommodate the weather and your own personal style, and there are different ways you can alter the look of each to make it look a little cooler. 3. Choose clothes that are the right size. Wearing clothes that are too big or too tight isn't very flattering, so it's important that you pick clothes in sizes that suit your body. But if your uniform is the wrong size for whatever reason, you may be able to tuck in your shirt to make it less baggy. Wear a belt around your waist to give your uniform more shape. Tie the bottom of your shirt in a knot to make it fit better. Alter your clothes to make them slightly larger or smaller. 4. Throw something on over your shirt. Whether you have to wear a polo shirt, blouse, or button-down shirt, your school's dress code policy may allow you to wear other clothing over top, and this could give you an opportunity to add some style to your outfit. For instance, you could wear a fitted or oversized knit sweater over your shirt. Put on a funky cardigan or vest. Wear a fitted blazer or jacket. 5. Layer clothes under your uniform. This works best when you can leave a few buttons undone at the top of your shirt, because you can wear either a neutral or vibrant shirt, tank top, or camisole under your shirt and let it show through around the neck area. 6. Roll up your hems and cuffs. Roll up the cuffs on a long-sleeved shirt so that it sits at elbow level, and roll up the cuffs on a short-sleeved shirt to make it more of a cap sleeve style. You can also roll up the hem on your shorts and pants. Don't roll your shorts up too high if your school has restrictions about how long they have to be. 7. Swap out uniform pieces with similar clothes. For schools that are more lenient with their uniform policies, you may be able to get away with replacing drab and boring pieces of your uniform with very similar but slightly more flattering clothing items. For instance, if your uniform requires you to wear slacks or dress pants, you may be able to get away with regular pants in the same color that are a bit better fitting or have a different cut. 8. Put on a belt or sash. A funky accessory like this can be very helpful if you have to tuck your shirt into high-waisted bottoms. Even if you can't get away with a crazy belt, try adding some interest with a plain belt outfitted with a unique belt buckle. If you're wearing a skirt with a shirt tucked in, try tying a sash or ribbon around the waist of the skirt. You can also leave your dress shirt untucked over a skirt and pair it with a chunky belt at the waist. 9. Wear different scarves. For schools that don't allow uniform alterations, personalization, and additional clothing items, you may at least be able to get away with a few accessories here and there. Scarves are great accessories for look and added warmth, and you might even be able to sneak some color into your outfit this way. 10. Find a unique school bag. Many school dress codes don't mention what kind of bag you can carry, so you might have a little more room for creativity here. Unique ideas for school bags include over the shoulder and messenger bags. Regular bags that are decorated with patches, pins, and badges. 11. Add flair with jewelry. How much jewelry you can wear will depend on your school, but if you're allowed to wear it, jewelry can be a great way to jazz up a uniform. Try wearing multiple bracelets on one wrist. You can also layer multiple rings on a single finger. Basic chains can add a touch of class, but a colorful necklace can completely change your look. If you aren't allowed to wear jewelry at all, try wrapping a headband or hair elastics around your wrist. 12. Try some funky shoes. Shoes can be a great way to add a personal touch to a uniform without breaking any dress code rules. But if your school does have a strict policy about shoes, try shiny black shoes with a slight heel or minor decorative feature. But if you have more freedom, why not try high top or low top Converse with high socks, boots with fun shoelaces, flats or ballerina slippers, trendy dress shoes, bright or unique running shoes. 13. Find some neat socks or tights. Even if you can't get away with fun shoes, you may still be able to experiment with different socks, leggings, and tights. These can include patterned socks, knee socks, baggy socks, textured tights, fishnets, and other decorative leggings. 14. Experiment with different hairstyles. There are many trendy hairstyles that will bring a whole new element to your uniform, and as long as you don't try any crazy dye colors, you might be surprised at the hairstyles you can get away with. If you have long hair, try a side braid, bun, or twist at the top of your head. To add extra color or interest to your hair, you can also wear bright headbands, flowers, ribbons, and bows. For girls with medium-length wavy hair, you can either leave it loose and shaggy, head messy, or combed back for a more professional look. 15. Wear subtle makeup if you want. Many schools have policies about cosmetics, but that doesn't mean you can't sneak in some natural makeup here and there. For instance, try wearing tinted lip gloss, pale blush, foundation to smooth your complexion, some bronzer or neutral eyeshadow in the crease of your eye, a pale or metallic eyeshadow in the corners of your eyes, nail polish. Part 2. Looking good in a guy's uniform. 1. Read the dress code. For a male uniform, your school's dress code will determine whether you have to wear a tie, if you have to button every button or if you can get away with leaving a few open, what shoes you can and can't wear, and whether you always have to wear a collared shirt. 2. Know your uniform choices. The basic school uniform usually consists of pants or shorts that are paired with a dress shirt, but you may also have the option of a blazer, a vest, or a sweater that can be worn over your shirt. These different apparel items can be paired differently to achieve different looks, and there are various style choices you can make with each to make your uniform a little more unique. Pick clothing in the right size, because the baggy look is mostly out, and clothes that are too tight will be uncomfortable. 3. Cover your dress shirt with something cooler. For a laid-back look, try a 90s style Kurt Cobain cardigan. For a folky look, wear a vest, sweater vest, or fitted blazer. If you want to try for a dressed-up casual look, pull a sweater over your shirt. 4. Pop your collar. To give your uniform a little more style, undo the top button on your shirt or polo and upturn the collar so it stands up. You can do this with your blazer or jacket as well, but choose one or the other. Don't pop the collar on your shirt and your blazer. 5. Tuck in your shirt. This allows you to control the length of your shirt, which can make your uniform look less oversized and more fitted. Tuck your shirt in completely, and then slowly pull it out to puff it out slightly. If you want your shirt a little longer, pull out a little more shirt and fold the excess down over your waist. 6. Wear your pants a little lower. Instead of wearing your pants higher up near your waist, let your belt out a little so you can wear your pants lower on your hip. 7. Roll up your cuffs. Along with rolling up the cuffs on your sleeves, you can actually roll up your blazer sleeves as well. This look works well with the popped collar. 8. Choose a few awesome accessories. Accessories like a vintage watch, a briefcase instead of a school bag, a funky or elegant tie, or a great hat can make any uniform a little cooler. For hat ideas, try an ivy cap, a fedora, or pork pie with your uniform. Try wearing a tie over your shirt but underneath a sweater, or paired with a cardigan. Try leaving your tie knot a little looser than normal. 9. Style your hair differently. There are tons of interesting hairstyles that are popular right now that could give your uniform a new dynamic, especially when paired with a cool tie, watch, and hat. Next time you want to get your hair cut, consider a fade, undercut, pompadour. Tips: be confident no matter what you're wearing. One of the most important things to remember when you want to look good is that being self-assured and confident are very attractive qualities, and are actually more important than any outfit. No matter how little control you have over your uniform, act like it's the most stylish outfit in the world and you'll feel better about wearing it. Dutch braids are good as they keep hair out of your face. It's stylish and comfortable. You can also unzip a zipper jacket with a collared shirt. A jean jacket and a messy bun with tinted lip balm works well for girls with long hair and a strict dress code. If you aren't allowed to wear makeup, you should make sure you have a good skin routine.